brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Britanil. Britanil has terbutaline sulfate in it. This is made by Barrett Hudson, and the price for the bottle is 44 rupees. This is 60 ml. Terbutaline is used to treat wheezing and shortness of breath from lung problems such as asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, bronchitis and emphysema. Controlling these symptoms can decrease time lost from work or school. Terbutaline belongs to a class of drugs known as bronchodilators. It works by relaxing the muscles around the airways so they can open up and you can breathe more easily. The dosage for this medication is, for adults, it's 2 to 3 teaspoonfuls 3 times a day. And for elderly, the dosage is the same as adults. In children, the dosage depends on the body weight, but usually for children under 3 years of age, it's half a teaspoonful, and for children who are between 3 and 5 years of age, half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoonful, and for children who are between 6 and 12 years of age, 1.5 teaspoonful. For children who are above 12 years of age, it's the same adult dosage. This medicine is used in bronchial asthma, chronic bronchitis, emphysema, and other lung diseases where bronchospasm is a complicating factor.